do something for me? Can you?
Hey my girlies, so welcome back to another video. And if you're new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Today is January the 9th, Monday. Normally on the days that I be off, I like to get more things for my place that I want. Go to Target, Walmart, at home. To show you what I had got off Amazon. 3 big boxes. Got these plastic jars, basically where you can put like water, juice for my juice. I don't drink milk, so basically it's mainly just going to be for like water, juice. With 6 of them. It's looking organized and neat. You can see these are food storage containers. Oatmeal, cereal, raisins, noodles, like all of that. All I want to be very organized. So these all comes in, they all come in 4, and it comes with top. And come out, they'll all be like different sizes. It came with labels, because all my stuff I want to have labels, especially for like stuff that's in the cabinets. I don't know if you guys can. Okay, you can see it. Yes. And it also came with something else, so let's open this and see what this is. Different. This is for my bathroom. These come in 4. These are containers that I'm going to put in my bathroom. So this is a conditioner one. This is body wash, and then I have one more for shampoo. Ain't that so cute? It goes right with my bathroom. My shower. It's a shower shelf. So they have the black and white labels, and then they also have some white ones, some white and black ones. And these come with, so excited. Oh my god. Which one should I get on this? Or should I use my white? I'm thinking the black. To show y'all what I got, what I had bought. I'm going to the store tomorrow to get some more things, and then I had ordered me some stuff on Amazon, so I'm gonna show you guys that once it gets here. But this is gonna be for the kitchen. This is a paper towel holder. I got this from Home Goods, you know, the aesthetic, you know, black. I also had got me a black trash can for my bathroom. This silverware set. I'm gonna go back and get some more. I really like these. It was more giving me like how they have like in the fancy restaurants. Like these are not cheap. They, you know, they look expensive. So I'm gonna go back and get like a couple of more from Home Goods too. This is a toilet brush, and it's black, y'all. So cute. I had to like get that, period. And this is only like $15. Home Good Fine. Got these at Target. They was only like $1. This is mainly gonna be for my bathroom. This is where I'm going to put like all of my, like my flat irons, hot combs, cramps, all up in here together. Hey y'all, so today is the next day. I didn't get to go grocery shopping yesterday because I was so focused on trying to get more kitchen decor. So today I'm going to go grocery shopping, and then I gotta stop at Sephora because I gotta return something. That one size setting spray that everybody was talking about on TikTok. I don't really like it because I like setting sprays that has that water effect that's actually going to melt. That's more like of a dry spray. I don't, none of my setting sprays are a dry spray, so I didn't like that. So I'm gonna take that back. Dry spray. I like more of a wet spray to be on my face. So I'm gonna go ahead there, and then I'll probably go to the mall, which I don't really want to go to. More content ideas that I want to do, and make sure you guys comment below like what else would you like to see. Honestly, I just like to just post like what I do during the week, and basically, you know, I kind of like to switch it up. So, and if y'all want to see something different, let me know. But y'all, the skin is giving right. It's giving. I literally wear makeup a lot now, and I thought that my face would break out, but it hasn't. Cause back at home, I literally was only wearing makeup like for making content, or if I was going out with like a friend or something, or hanging out. But now I do makeup. I do my makeup for work, and I work like sometimes 4 days a week. Most of the time a week, three days a week, close to the weekend. And I think my face will break out, and it's not. Girl, what I'm gonna wear for my birthday, cause like this is totally not me. Like I will always have everything falling in place. It's just I'm just so focused on trying to get things in my place. You know, I'm gonna cook. I be trying to cook like different stuff now. I be tired of cooking the same stuff, right? Definitely I'll be starting to cook different stuff now, which I love. And I'm definitely going to get me like a cookbook with recipes and just be just doing different stuff. It feels so freaking good. Y'all see the sun shining? I know it's probably snowing back in Michigan, or anyway, but I just love it here. I gotta get prepared for the summertime, because it's gonna be in the hundreds. I'm back at home. It's 5 o'clock. Of course, the primer that I literally had ran out, so I had to go get me some more of that. The e.l.f. primer. This is so good. That's all I use. And I wanted to see what's the hype about the Bobbi Brown face base. It's like a moisturizer. We gonna see when I do my makeup. I might do my makeup tomorrow or the weekend. We gonna see. And I'm gonna let y'all know how it is. And then Sephora, I just had got another Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. I got me 2 packs of salmon burgers, because that's what I'm cooking tonight. They finna be so good, y'all. And if you from down, burger sauce, ketchup sauce, it's so good. I'm just pouring my seasoning into my seasoning jar and labeling them. So this one is the garlic powder.
Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide.
Looks so good in my cabinet. In my cabinet drawer. Yeah. Hey y'all, the rest of my stuff from Amazon that I ordered from my kitchen came. First box, this one is my fridge organizer. Finally, I had to order me another one. They end up giving me my money back for the last one because they never sent it. So I just have bought me like another one. So these is going to be for where I place like my fruits and stuff in. Right. Cocktail cards to, like, you know, if you're trying to make a drink. Oh, this one got a spicy lemon drop. I'm gonna have to try it. Okay. A margarita. I already know how to make these, so I make them at work all the time. Whiskey sweet and sour. I make those all the time. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm so happy that these came with a few cards, some cards. Okay, I'm liking this. So this side, oh, this is cute. Y'all know we gotta go for the black. Oh, it comes with everything, like when I use that word. Everything. Yeah, I'm so excited. I'm so excited to use this. I'm so excited to use this. Had to give me a black shaker. Everything is black. Okay, I'm loving it. I'm so it's giving, right? It's giving, period. This is the fit for tonight. I'm supposed to be linking up with this girl down here. She been wanting to link up with me, but I haven't been having time with my black purse. And it's gonna be, it's giving body. It's giving. And then I love that this kind of splits with, yes, we finna get some cute pictures. Read. All right, girlies, so we're at the location. I'm not actually gonna take pictures here. I'm gonna take pictures over there. I love a nice background. The lighting here is, honey, hitting. I'm most definitely gonna come back and take some pictures up in here, but I'm gonna actually like see how it looks over there. All right, y'all, so I got some good pictures in. They came out so cute. See, but look at the creeks. It's so cute. But yes, they came out so cute. The location was perfect. Like, so perfect. Like, cause I like to take my pictures now at nighttime, and then I like to use my flash because I feel like my makeup be better. The makeup just pops better like that. Like, during the day you get some good lighting, but literally, like, when you take pictures at night and like put that flash on and no flash back, so how you guys liking the fit? This is the fit for tonight. I'm going to karaoke to link up with some girls. It's giving classy, casual. I'm telling you, when I say I'm gonna be switching my game up, my clothes wear, everything is going to be 1 point. So I'm finna go in with some perfume today. I'm finna go in with the Miss Decor. I'll put some of that on, and then I'm gonna go ahead and head out the door because I want to take some pictures, period, before, and hopefully I meet some lovely ladies. I'm gonna take my camera because I'm gonna vlog in there. But this is the fit. Oh my god, this shirt is like snatching my body. And these tied up heels. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna see y'all there.
So I ain't sticking, no, I ain't sticking around no more. 'Cause you just wanna play with my heart and I see you with the girl at the party. You think I'm just gonna stand nobody, want you waste my time. I guess I'm on for you, baby. I guess I'm on true. I guess I'm on for you, baby. We'll call it what you want. I guess I'm on for you, baby. I guess I'm on true. Oh, I guess I'm on for you, baby. Call me what you want. Think I ain't you where you find me. Got my own money, so I'ma show you. Hey, you swear that I'll be only money, so I'ma show you. Think I ain't you where you find me. Got my own money, so I'ma show you. Hey, you swear that I'll be only. Guess you don't know me. Guess you don't know. I guess I'm on for you, baby. I guess I'm on true. I guess I'm on for you, baby. We'll call it what you want. I guess I'm on for you, baby.